Welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Yesterday we did give trade on EURUSD, like that's our favorite pair, and I gave two trades here. I mean two direction in the markets, and I still made mention that okay, we have four possibilities in the markets that can happen. We are expecting price to close above this green line here, then so that we'll be able to kind of follow through, create a shift, but that would be a direct something for us. So, but price always want to do some adjustment and additional stuff in the market just to take you out of your position before you move forward. So, hence, I created another double possibilities that there is a kind of something that we might experience in the market that this high might be taken out, then we might still come down to take out the low before going into the highs. So if you know how to play your lower time frame game very well, our direction did not kind of hold. Out of the four possibilities, I guess it is all of them that actually did play out, but in different something. So it won't just come clean. So that's the reason why it is always imperative for us to know how to play our games correctly on lower time frame. So I wasn't on system yesterday when this move happened and this move up happened because, like I told you guys, currently writing exam, so it takes some time away from me. Then before I left system, I have this level here and I have a closure above it, which is an indication for me that price is ready to go up. And I tried to do what to take the trades before I left. So and I have a retest of it. So I didn't wait for price to close above it before I went out. So I learned two lessons yesterday. We are trading on lower time frame. We are not there to monitor your trades. It's better you don't even trade at all. And that's lesson one. And lesson two is the fact that we have to be flowing with the market. So if we see any discrepancies in the market movements, then we can just easily change our direction, change our opinion, and kind of flow with the market. So which I always do. I always flow with the market. But for the fact that I'm not on system, so if at all, the second lesson is if at all, if I'm not going to be sitting with system for the whole day to capitalize on whatever we might be able to capitalize on, then I should not trade for the whole day. So that brings me to this level because I actually saw an opportunity here that I would have taken personally. I would have taken this opportunity toward the downside, which would have given me one to five, but I wasn't on the system because as I can see, this the second something that I indicated from this level that we might go up, still come down, instead of creating a what is it called, create a shift toward the lower side, and we did have it here, and that was what played out within this leg here, and from within this level, from as we can see, there's a reversal pattern here. There's shift between this level. Internal structure was created and broken above. The level was used to go into the eye. So I missed two trades here yesterday. Two trades I missed, and which would have actually accounted for my losses here. And the losses are later incurred from this level because when I came back, price was already playing out at this level, so I couldn't. What I was able to do was kind of like try to play with the market and try and see what it's going to do. But would have taken these two trades, which would have supplemented for any losses that would have incurred before or after those trades. And we have this level here, this particular level. When we have this reversal, I try to what is it called? Try to come with the markets, go down with it, then it did this massive uh, down movement, but it did not. It remains more for my 1 to 5 to be properly TP to be hit. But when 6 o'clock, and it was 6 o'clock, the close of 6 o'clock, I took out all my position in the markets because that's another thing now served in the market. So that being said, coming to today's trade ideas and signal, we're just going to kind of see what we can. And mind you, my market broke out from this consolidation here, and we were anticipating lower prices, more lower prices in the market. Then what do we see? We see shift, we see a break of structure above this level. And we term this leg here to be a valid leg that's going to stay continue the price. But anything that happen from this leg here, as you can see, we have a lot of expectations that lie between this line here. So if we are to pick any range, it's going to be from within this low range to this high range anyway. So, and it is from within this level that we'll be anticipating here still remain our strong low. Because as you can see, it has been taken, but nonetheless, we can still be anticipating either break above this high or above or below this low. So that will be the determinant of where we're going to. But if you observe something lately with Euro USD, you will see even from some months back, from January to just move a little bit. It always have a little bit of movement for some maybe little days, like 2 3 days. Then it goes back into consolidation. And as you can see, price has been ranging all this while. So for us to counter that, since it is a major something that we trade, we have to go on lower time frame. Lower time frame. So this happens to be our expectation for yesterday. So all we're going to do is we're going to take out all these annotations here and deal with within this particular level that we have here. But if we establish a range from within this level, then automatically here becomes our latest dealing range that we can see. So we have this level to be our major level here. But since this level has been established, we have another level we can be looking forward to, which happens to be this particular leg and this new high that has been created here. So if at all, what we'll be expecting and anticipating, we are be waiting for the closure of this particular candle here. So the closure of this particular candle will determine if it's closed down, then we can be expecting some more lower prices in the market. But if it's closed above, so this candle, this particular level, this little level is what is going to determine our trade moving forward because we've already established this dealing range and anything that happen from within this dealing range. So this particular level, if it continue to go into the high, continue to create an up candle in the market, then we'll just be flowing with it till it establish a new dealing range. And after the dealing range, we're just going to assume this level to be our dealing range and to establish our direction. And mind you, price always can do something like this before it goes up or you invert it. So it's not this one is not reversible. So I'm just going to do another possibility in the market. So we can have something like that, and at the same time, still expect price to break below this low. Can be expecting price to break below this low, create a shift, you know, we retest the level and continue to go down. But there is another variation where we can just take out the highs, which I use this particular level to do. So whichever way, we're just going to continue to flow with the market. So here, this will be our trade ideas and signal, at least for today. Just going to continue from here tomorrow. So if you are playing on lower time frame, know how to play your games correctly. And use proper risk management so that there is nothing that is sure in the market, at least for now. As you can see, price is just within range. So we just have to learn how to play within those range and try to capitalize on wherever we can see and take out of this something. So that's all for now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day.